Hey guys, it's Team GamerCats here with Lynn and Sandy. I'm sorry we haven't recorded anything in a long time. So here we are. I guess we're gonna do parkour, right Sandy? So we're gonna talk about why we didn't record for a while. It was mostly because of school, right Lynn?
Yeah, school.
And Lynn don't really have much time to like edit things or record, so we haven't like made videos. Also,
What?
oh, we might not be making any videos soon because we have a tropical storm, I guess, in Texas. Tropical Storm Bill, I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So what else are we gonna talk about? Oh, and because I don't have my laptop, I left it in Oklahoma.
And we're just using my iPad.
And I don't get it to the end of June. So maybe the next video is at the end of June, I guess. Okay, and I'll see y'all later. Like, subscribe, comment, suggestions and stuff. And thanks. Bye guys.